Ladies and gentlemen, gear up because today we're talking about the return of an off-road icon, the legendary Mitsubishi Pajero. After years of silence, Mitsubishi is bringing back this beast in a brand new avatar. And trust me, this is not just a rehash of the old model. This is a complete transformation. Mitsubishi is rumored to be building the 2026 Pajero on the CMF-C/D platform, the same one used for the Outlander. But don't let that fool you. This isn't just another SUV. This is a true off-roader, set to feature an updated version of Mitsubishi's legendary Super All-Wheel Control System. That means insane grip, maximum stability, and the confidence to take on any terrain you throw at it. And here's the kicker, Mitsubishi is going green with this one. The new Pajero is expected to feature a powerful hybrid powertrain, pumping out nearly 390 horsepower. That means you get all the off-road power you crave while being eco-friendly at the same time. It's the best of both worlds. But before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates on future concept cars. And let us know in the comments, do you think this Pajero will live up to its legendary name? Inside, the 2026 Pajero is expected to get a complete makeover, with a digital cockpit, a massive touchscreen infotainment system, and all the latest driver assist features. Imagine cruising through the mountains while surrounded by luxury and cutting-edge technology. It sounds like a dream, right? Mitsubishi is keeping some details under wraps, but one thing is for sure. This Pajero is going to shake up the off-road world when it hits the market in 2026. Expect a bold design, unmatched capability, and a hybrid system that could change the game forever. So, are you excited for the return of the Pajero? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, subscribe for more future concept car reviews. Until next time, keep dreaming of the road ahead.